Havells introduces the new Trim Clip-On, a unique LED light that gives bright, uniform illumination and is fitted with the innovative sliding spring mechanism for most versatile mounting options. Trim Clip-On is suitable for any ceiling, be it normal or false, and fits cutouts of any shape, size or orientation. Simply screw the bracket to the ceiling, attach the wire to the power cable and simply push the light from below till it fits into the bracket with a click. To install on a false ceiling, make a cutout. Place the spring-loaded bracket on the ceiling and slide the springs till they fit the size of the cutout. This allows you to use old cutouts of different sizes. Then simply snap the secure springs into place. Push fit the light from below and installation is done. The included safety wire can be used to prevent the light from falling accidentally and for ease of maintenance.